Hi everybody, my name is Renzo Arias. I am the PhD chemist and I'm in charge of the chemical microencapsulation program at Odessa Separator. So this unique technology allows to transform any chemical into a solid state, as you can see. This is the final product that we have. So the way that we use a special matrix that is going to allow us to transform these chemicals, inhibitors in the liquid phase into a solid state, as you can see. So having these chemicals in the solid state is going to allow us to bring these chemicals for downhole applications. So let's say you have your artificial lip, so we're going to be able to bring these chemicals downhole. So in that way, we can provide a continuous chemical treatment and consequently a continuous chemical inhibition. So I would like to take this opportunity to extend the invitation for the Southwestern Petroleum course, where we're going to apply this technology for rock pond application in order to control scale deposition. Particularly, we're going to focus in calcium sulfate deposition. As many of you may know, this is a rare scale, named as an exotic scale, which is you don't treat it on time, and especially if you don't have a continuous chemical treatment, it's going to cause problems in the future. You're going to have lower run times. You're going to have problems in the cost of the production because in order to treat this scale is totally different to the traditional scale. So again, we extend the invitation for this course where we're going to apply more questions to you. Thank you.